Hi everyone! Check out my client 2012 Honda Jazz GE. The upgrade we have done on this unit, we replaced the suspension to K-Sport Control Pro Series. I'll show you the front coilovers. It is adjustable 36 ways dampening. Depends on the client feels. And for the rear is the shocks and the coil spring are separate here. The one with the silver ring, that's the coil spring, coil over spring, and this is the shocks. Okay. We adjust the suspension. We lower the suspension one finger using 17-inch VOK Racing. This is the TE37 Saga S Plus in bronze. And also we install aluminum center cap. This is optional. Some want it open, some want it's closed with the center cap, Ford center cap. Wrap in Michelin PS5 tires. One finger front and also one finger at the back. See the stance. Simplicity is the best, guys. By the way, this is 17 by 7 positive 45 offset with 205 40 17 tires, or you can use also 45 series if you want, but the client chooses the 40 series. Feel free to message me if you're interested in how we built here, and please beware of those fake wheels in the market selling. Only get the best here at PRS. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!